Hi everybody, sorry about the background, but there is like a lot of glare because I have a lot of lights going on right now. So I have a decently sized nail polish haul and I wanted to do a variety of videos on this channel. I probably won't be doing these hauls often because I kind of buy nail polish like here and there now that I've collected a lot of them, and so I don't really buy that many. The first things that I have for this haul is they're actually from one of my favorite online retailers for indie nail polishes. I don't have that many indies, 3 to be exact, but I have something still from this amazing website called Live Love Polish, and their boxes are pretty much always amazing. So I'll show you guys what the packaging looks like, but I already took everything out. It's just a really cute box. And it says thank you there. It comes with a little note, and your invoice usually comes at the bottom, but obviously I've taken that stuff out because it says my name and my address and everything. So really cute box, so I kept it so I can show you guys in this video. So the 2 things that I got from this website were these 2 UNT ready for takeoff peelable base coats. This is my favorite base coat, so I wanted to get 2 of them so I wouldn't have to keep buying them every time. I highly recommend this base coat, and I'll probably be using it in a lot of my future videos. Definitely recommend. And they actually have a lot of amazing promotions and deals. So for this purchase, I got a free compact mirror. So it just says Live Love Polish New York, and it's magnetic. I won't show you guys what the mirror looks like, but this bottom one is magnified and the top is normal. Next, I just have a few polishes. So first, we have polishes from the Face Shop, and I have this yellow and this purple, so they're both kind of pastel-y. This yellow is called Mindile Palti, and this lilac color is super pretty. It's called Purple Date. So yeah, these are really great for nail art, and I got these for $3, I believe, for each bottle. Next, I just have a polish from Nature Republic. When I went, they were having this sale that was buy 3 and get a nail polish remover and their pump bottle for free. So it was a really great promotion. I just got 1, and the person I went with got 2. So anyways, I have this dark green shade. It's looking like super black, but it's actually a little bit green. Next, I went to CVS and I spent quite a lot there. So I have a lot of polishes. That includes like polishes from 2 visits. Today I went, and then I went a couple weeks ago. So when I went a couple weeks ago, I saw their soda pop collection for this summer, and that didn't get a lot of buzz. I didn't really see a lot of review videos on YouTube, and just finding swatches was a little bit difficult online. I picked out this really amazing polish a couple weeks ago, and it's actually on my nails right now. It's called Essie's Out of the Jukebox, number 594. And it's super pretty. It's basically kind of like a sheer peach color with this gold shimmer, like really yellow gold, and you can see on my nails what it looks like. It looks amazing in this light, artificial or natural, so I really love this polish. Next, from the Soda Pop collection, I also got Going Steady, which is number 060. I do believe this is part of the collection, but correct me if I am wrong. It is basically the same concept as Out of the Jukebox. Super pretty, and I can't wait to put this over other colors as well. If it's not too opaque, it definitely looks like it can transform other polishes, especially dark colors. And speaking of new collections, I found the fall collection there in early August, which is pretty early for me because I usually find the collections like a month or a month and a half after they are released. So I was really excited and kind of shocked when I saw them. So first one I have is Stop, Drop, and Shop. And I just covered up the label because it has the location. Yeah, this is a really pretty dark plum color. It's basically my equivalent of, or what I feel is the equivalent to last year's Knee High Life from Essie as well. I really love these shades. Like, it was pretty much a shocker to me when I realized how much I love that shade. So this is basically the equivalent in the new fall NYC themed collection. And then I also have this for the last color that I got, and this is an old one, I believe. It's called All Access Pass. I just never noticed it, or maybe I've never seen it at a store. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but it's really pretty. It just caught my attention. I was like, whoa, I do not have anything like this. It's looking just pure blue, but it's really purple in real life. This is called All Access Pass, and it's really pretty. And the last thing that I got is this Essie Gel Couture top coat, and I got it because I figured I'll be posting more tutorials on this channel and I needed more of my favorite top coat. I really recommend everyone to get this top coat because it dries pretty fast. It has an amazing brush for a top coat and it's really shiny. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. I'll try to put all of them in this frame again. Here are all the polishes that I have for this haul. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you all very soon. Bye everyone!